Hello everyone, this is Kat, and I just had a haul that I got. I've done a lot of overtime at work, lots and lots and lots of overtime, and so I've kept the overtime money and put it in the bank so I can eventually get my own house so I can move and have my own studio. But what I have done is I took the bonus that I made from all the overtime, and I'm getting to get some pottery supplies and equipment, and so you'll see some different things trickling in through the next few days. This is where I buy my supplies from locally. Trinity Ceramics. T-Mix 6 is my favorite clay ever. I got about 300 pounds of T-Mix 6. Then I got couple 100 pounds with grog, T-Mix 6 with grog, because I like that for my hand building. And I have a couple of other clays that I'm going to be trying. This is Laguna, and it's Speckled Buff. And so I've never tried a Speckled Buff clay. Pretty much I've stuck with just T-Mix because I like T-Mix. It comes out as a bright white when it's fired. Almost, it's a stoneware, I guess, but almost porcelain-like in texture. So, anyway, I've got the Laguna Speckled Buff, and then I've got an Armadillo. Gosh, I can't even remember the name of it. I've gotten some plaster to make some molds. I even got a couple, I know, don't be shocked, y'all, a couple of store-bought glazes. So I got Amico's Potter's Choice Cosmic Tea Dust. I've gotten Mako Blue Hydrangea. Just going to be trying those out. Probably by themselves and then with my glazes that I mix. I've got Night Moth. That's the one I've been dying to try for a really long time. And then I've got Celadon Bloom. So yeah, bought 4 different glazes. Got some mold soap to help me get my molds off of, my plaster molds off of the thing. I've got some L4 large cones because normally I try to fire to cone 6, and the clay I'll pick up next time is going to fire to cone 5, and so I needed to adjust what my cones were. I got a new t-shirt. It says, "Play Dirty, Working Clay." And so this is a Trinity Ceramic t-shirt. So I'll have fun with that one. I got some sodium silicate. Yep, that's a gallon. I figured I could try some really cool forms throwing on the wheel. And also I can make magic water. And I guess I'll get into that a bit later. Got a couple more Kiln Posts. Probably should have gotten double that amount, but you know, I was like calculating out everything. How much can I spend on everything? How much can I still do this? So, got those because I've got 2 more shelves coming in. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, pausing so I can reach to get to the other box. Okay, anyway. So here's something that I got that I'm really excited about. I've got some 12-inch and some 14-inch bats. I am kind of bat poor as far as traditional bats go. I have the Studio Pro Bat Saver that I do with the inserts, but when I want to make something bigger or a plate, I couldn't make one because I only had 2 bats. I had one 12 and one 14 that came with the wheel. So I got these. So I got 4 of each. I think I'll probably just try to get a few each time I go there and just build up slowly over time. Pretty excited about those. I know y'all probably aren't, but I am. So here's all the 12s. And then here's the 14. That'll make a nice plate. I'll be able to make a nice platter on that. theoretically. With the new tool that I have coming in that's going to help me with my centering, I'm going to be getting a strong arm tool. My shoulder has really limited my time on the wheel. And why would I need this much clay? Well, when I hand build, I don't, because it takes me a lot longer to make things. But whenever I get on the wheel and I am throwing, I guess pre-injury, I was able to throw about 25 pounds of clay in a day, and now I can only throw 4 little tiny pieces. And so I'm hoping with the strong arm tool, when it comes in, and I will film all that, I'll be able to at least get back to some sort of throwing without it hurting my shoulder, and I can recover it and still do the things I want to do. So anyway, there's that. Get to see some all new throwing, and some, maybe I'm hoping with the sodium silicate I can throw some really cool vases with the strong arm tool in that. We'll see, maybe it may turn into a glob. But anyway, thank you everybody for watching. I know this one's like, oh yeah, I'm getting this and getting this, but Jenny Potter, you get your clay, you're really excited. And I'm getting to try some new clays. So anyway, I hope y'all have a great day, and I'm just going to kind of leave this in here and let my husband unload it later. But I'm going to get my little bats out and glazes and things like that. Thank you for watching. Bye.